Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. Today I have your guys' very special guest, your favourite, my mum. I feel like whenever she's on my channel, you guys love it. And today we are twins! Yay! This wasn't planned. I went to go get my mum and I was like, how are we wearing? Like we literally have black trousers on as well. We didn't speak to each other about what we were wearing before this. She was actually going to wear like an Indian top and I was like, actually, just wear that so we can be actual real life twins. So my mum has no idea what video we're filming today.
I have no idea.
You have to guess how much this makeup is. Every individual price.
Oh my god, that's the...
You just have to guess.
All of them?
No, okay. One by one.
I will try.
So yeah, if you want to see my mum, my very Indian Gujarati mum, guessing the price of my makeup, then please keep watching. Now that we have a bit more space. Okay, you can't look at my phone because I have the prices on my phone.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm right, then I might get a nice present.
She's whenever I post anything to my stories, she'll message me going, can you give me that? Can I have that moisturizer? Can I have that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Let's start off with this. This is, you know what this is?
Yeah. Setting spray.
Yeah, and it's from Urban Decay.
Urban Decay.
How much do you think that is?
This £15.
15.
15.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
It's £26.
Ooh, I'm wrong.
You're wrong. Is that okay to spend? Is it okay to spend £26 on this?
Yeah.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's really nice. I love this spray.
Do you use it all the time?
When I'm doing makeup, yeah.
When I do her makeup, she means.
I did, and I used that spray in Mexico on your wedding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
No,
I
she
use
did
it.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the body soap.
Chamomile cleansing butter.
Chamomile.
Just show it. Butter.
This is the one.
How much do you think that is? It's like a cleansing butter, like take your makeup off.
£10.
That is £11.
This nearest.
Okay, I'll give you that. You got 1 point.
Oh, I got 1 point.
Okay, what about this one? We're gonna do skincare. Let's keep it skincare for the time being. This Wishful.
This I got
Wishful, and it's called Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub.
face scrub.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right, this one is £12.
Final answer?
Yeah.
It's £34.
Oh my god! I thought it's a tiny bit.
Tiny. Okay, you think it's tiny? Okay. Let's try this one then.
Yeah.
This one is Clé de Peau, the serum.
Clé de Peau, the serum.
Nice bottle, isn't it?
This is really nice bottle.
Can you find like a table open?
I think this.
Okay, how much do you think that is?
Expensive, yeah. This one I think £25.
£25.
I'm guessing. Yeah.
Final answer?
Final.
£215.
Oh my god! I never.
Would you buy it? Would you buy it?
No.
Why?
It's nice. But
What if it makes you look like 20 years old?
It's nice, yeah. If you give me gift, yeah, I will. She might be giving me Christmas gift.
Oh, okay.
How does look like? Nice.
Okay, you didn't get that point.
No.
You have 1 point so far.
Oh my
Okay.
god. I'm unlucky.
What about this? La Roche-Posay micellar water. Micellar water.
Micellar water.
Yeah. It's to help. It's like water, but it takes your makeup off.
Okay. This one £10.
£10? Okay, £12.50.
Yeah.
I'll give you that point.
Okay.
I'll give you that point.
Nearest.
Nearly there. Okay. This one. Fenty Beauty, and it's called Fat Water. It's a toner and serum.
Toner and serum. Fenty. I think this is expensive.
You think Fenty is expensive? Okay.
Yeah. Fenty. This may be £35. 35.
Okay, £25.
Oh,
Not bad.
So still,
you still don't get the point.
Yeah.
You don't get the point.
Oh no, I haven't got. Oh my god.
Okay. Next one we have is Hourglass Mineral Primer. Look, this is what it looks like. Kachni bottle. Huh?
Kachni bottle.
Yeah. Primer. Primer.
Primer.
Yeah, there's primer in there. So what do you think?
18 pounds.
18 pounds?
I'm right.
53 pounds!
Oh my god!
53
I thought
pounds.
a small bottle and
That's
Which
mommy. That's a very
companies?
that's a very
I know,
mommy
but
thing to say.
I'm just thinking the company.
Is it a very expensive company, Hourglass? Yeah.
I'm sorry, viewers.
Yeah, 53.
Okay.
You don't get that
Can't
point.
get
You got 2 points so far. Body Shop,
Yeah.
Himalayan mask.
Body soap, Himalayan mask.
Yeah.
I like body soap.
Yeah, you like Body Shop.
Yeah,
We've
I like
been shopping
body-
there since I was how old? 4, 5 years, 5, 6 years old.
Yeah,
We're going
yeah,
to town,
yeah.
but yeah.
Body soap. Yeah, we always going to body
Yeah.
soap and this brand is not that much expensive.
Oh, yeah,
like
you know that.
53 and
No, no,
200
no, no,
pounds. No,
Okay.
This one is 17 pounds.
17.
17.
18 pounds.
Ah, I got that one.
Yeah, there you go. You can have another point.
I got all the cheaper one.
Yeah, you got the cheap ones. Last skincare product.
Oh, I love that.
Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream.
Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and I like this and I love this. This one is 45 pounds.
75 pounds.
My God, I can't get this one. Sorry. I love it.
75 pounds no.
Half price. Christmas offer.
No, they don't do half
Oh
price.
my God. 50 ml, but looks like a very small amount.
No, it's 50
Very
ml.
expensive. I thought 45 pounds.
I remember the first time I bought that. I saved up so much money when I first bought this.
So I have
Years ago.
I have to do that one.
Okay, you don't get that point, Mummy. You don't get that point.
no.
Okay, now we have all makeup. Climax Extreme Mascara.
NARS mascara.
Yeah.
I know when I bought it for your makeup in America, NARS. Only lipstick $35.
Yeah.
Just one lipstick, and all of the different lipstick are in there. So this one, 30 pounds. I love mascara.
You do really like. It's 22 pounds.
Oh,
So cheaper.
I got this one.
No, you didn't. You didn't.
Yeah, I got this one.
You only have 3 points for me. One of my favourite bronzers. I wore this bronzer for the wedding.
Okay.
L'Oreal Back to Bronze.
Kaushal's favorite one. So mine as well. Because we got same tone and same color.
Okay.
This one is 25 pounds.
It's £8.99.
Oh,
She thinks I buy
can
only expensive stuff. This is the thing.
I thought it's
Yeah, it's really, really good.
it's
£8.99.
really nice. Can't go wrong. with
No,
it.
less than £10.
It's really nice color.
You've worn this before as well. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah,
L'Oreal True Match Foundation. One of my favourite foundations.
12 pounds.
£9.99. Less
Yay!
than £10.
But still
You didn't get that. No, you didn't get
Oh.
that. Should we give it that? We'll give it that point. We'll give
Okay.
it that point.
Okay.
What about eyelashes? These are Backstage Beauty Lashes, Chelsea.
I'm not friend with eyelashes, so I'm guessing
Yeah.
is 12 pounds.
£5.
Oh, that's cheap, eh?
Yeah. And they're really good quality.
But it's really nice.
£5. Okay, you didn't get that point, Mummy.
Oh, that's okay.
What about this eyeshadow palette? This is the Natasha Denona palette.
Can I have a look
Yeah,
at
you
this
can open it, yeah.
first and then just guessing?
These are all the colours on here. Big, nice big pan.
Mm-hmm.
How much do you think that is?
This one is, and which company is this one?
Natasha Denona.
I never
She's a
heard
makeup artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping this one is 75 pounds.
75.
75.
Okay.
75.
Final answer?
Yeah, final 75.
This eyeshadow palette is £205.
Oh my god!
Tome koi this little expensive.
No, I thought it's expensive, so 75 pounds. But
£205.
Different. It's nice. It's really nice color.
Is it? Do you think it's worth £205?
I don't want to guess because I'm not friendly with the eyeshadow.
Yeah, you don't like eyeshadow. Tamelio, £205.
Now still I don't want to buy 200 because I'm not doing makeup every day.
No. Okay,
Yeah.
see that one was £205. What about this palette? This is the Morphe 35M palette.
Ooh.
Look, there's loads
This
of
is
shades.
not 200 pounds.
Why? Why don't you think it's
Because
£200?
that one is like packaging and the colors and quality.
Okay.
I think so. That's That's not expensive, 200 pounds.
Okay,
No
so
way.
how much do you think it is?
This
There's more
one-
eyeshadows in this.
Yeah. But still, this one is 80 pounds.
But this is more expensive. You said 75 for that.
Oh, hang on. I just changed my mind.
Okay.
This is 55 pounds.
£55. That is £24.
Woo! I can get 2.
That's a proper Gujarati mum speaking there. Favorite highlighter ever? Champagne Pop. You're wearing it right now.
Oh, I'm wearing right now.
Can
Can you see? We both wearing same one.
Okay, how much?
I'm hoping I can get this one.
How much do you think that is?
This one, 20 pounds.
You said how much?
20.
It's £30. Not bad.
Not bad.
But this lasts you for ages. You only need a tiny amount.
Oh, it looks nice and on my face.
Yeah, ekdam. Bau barabar. Yeah.
Bau saras lage
Yeah.
ne? Bau is saras.
Concealer. Too Faced Born This Way concealer.
12 pounds.
It's £25.
Oh my god.
Well, it's a big bottle for concealer.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice bottle.
Would you pay 25? My mum wouldn't pay. My mum would expect me to get it for her. She'd be like, I need this.
Yeah, I can get perfume expensive. It's okay for me, but makeup. I'm doing makeup sometimes, so she's doing makeup all the time for me. So I don't need to buy it.
True. Okay, Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot. This is face powder.
This is from Boots.
Yeah, you can get it from Boots.
Oh, I can get it from Boots. This one is 8 pounds.
£12. £4 more. Benefit Goof Proof Eye Pencil. Eyebrow pencil, sorry.
Oh, I did it today.
Yeah, you've got this on today.
10 pounds.
It is £22.50. Double the price.
Oh my god. I thought it's just
Little and
little and tiny and it's nice packaging
yeah.
still.
NYX
I like
Soft Matte Lip Cream. How much
I
do you think this?
always
You
like-
love these, but how much are they? Do you know how much they are?
This one, 7 pounds.
£6.
I got it. I like this color.
Fenty Beauty
What is that?
Cream Blusher.
Oh,
I've used it a lot.
is it nice? Isn't it?
Nice colour, yeah.
Nice color.
How much do you think that
I
is?
guess this is 10 pounds.
It's £19.
I thought
It's
this
small,
company-
but I know, but it
but
lasts
the
a long
company
time.
is-
Yeah.
and the company Fenty is always expensive.
Yeah. No, it's not too expensive.
Not too expensive, but still.
Yeah. But I mean, this lasts for ages. Last one, Tom Ford lipstick.
Oh,
Colin,
I
is
love lipstick.
You do really like lipsticks.
But I don't know. I like.
It's a very, very nice colour. I think it's called Wild Ginger. Yeah, Wild Ginger. You don't wear reds that much, no?
I don't like
No.
red. I like a nude color and.
This
brown.
mauvey colour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one, 45 pounds. 45.
£40.
Ah!
I'll give you this one. I'll give you that. Okay,
Yeah,
apparently
I
she's
tried.
keeping everything she got right.
Next video I will show you how does look like my lipstick.
So out of everything that my mum had to guess, she got the micellar water correct-ish.
Yeah.
You got the Himalayan mask correct-ish.
Correct mask.
You got the chamomile cleansing butter correct-ish. You got the L'Oreal foundation correct-ish. You got this NYX lipstick correct-ish. And you are £5 off of this one, but we can give you that point.
Oh.
You didn't do that bad.
Thank you. At least better than nothing.
Yeah, you got quite a few
1,
points
2,
there.
3, 4, 5, 6 item I won.
Yeah. Oh, you won. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me and my mom, her guessing makeup. I thought she would be more shocked.
I
than
didn't
what-
know that.
No, she genuinely had no idea what she was filming with
Yeah,
me today.
surprise
And
video.
I thought you would be more shocked at some of the prices, but you weren't
Yeah,
that shocked.
because I don't know. I don't know what is the video is today, but
It's you guessing the makeup.
Happy New Year, everybody!
Happy New Year, everyone! I hope you guys enjoyed the first video of 2021. Please let me know if you guys want to see any more videos with me and my mum. Please leave suggestions below of what other kinds of videos you want to see with me and my mum together. But all the products that I've mentioned, as always, will be linked and listed down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe as well. And hopefully we will see you guys all soon. Bye!
Bye!